It's already recorded. Just hold it.
Alright guys, it's Reps on Feet here with a little unboxing from Shoeout.ru. This package took about, I think around 20 days. Pretty sure the postal system's kind of slowed down because our shitty ass president Donald Trump, but it's all good as long as it got here. Can't complain. We got the other 3 shoes we ordered. We got them around 15 days, so these just took a little longer. They usually like to space out the packages so they don't get mixed up in customs, which isn't a problem with me. I'd rather have them space it out and actually get the package than not get the package at all. And it's first shipped through DHL and then it's shipped through FedEx when it gets to the States. And then it's double boxed. So these should be the the Jordan 1 High Pine Greens. And Bernice always hooks it up with the double boxing, which is really nice. Alright, let's see. There's the box right there. Let's see. Box is in good condition too, it's not beat up. Woo! Yes, sir!
Wow.
And worth the wait. See, quick little 360. Damn, leather quality looks fucking great. Let's check the other one out. Got some green laces. I'll definitely use the black laces though. Damn. Fuck yeah, they look great though. Alright, let's hit the fucking gym.
Let's go. Shout out Bernice.
Shout out Bernice.
As always.